Hello everyone, I'm going to talk you through how to install a Kief screen on your dry batch trimmer. Start by unplugging your trimmer. Lift the top cover to access the brush. We recommend wearing gloves to remove the brush. Pull the brush shaft towards you and unlock the brush bearings. Next, you will need to release the tension of the blade sheet. Remove the tumbler lid and manually rotate the tumbler clockwise until you see the dowel pins from the motor shaft. Then gently pull the tumbler towards you. Alternatively, you can roll the machine into a vertical position for an easier installation. Once the tumbler is out of the trimmer, remove the blade sheet by gently pulling the sheet off the metal tabs. Carefully install the Kief Filter Screen tumbler inside the trimmer by making sure the screen doesn't get caught on the edges of the trimmer. Once the Kief screen is placed on the motor shaft, align it with the dowel pins and lock it in place. If any of these steps do not work, do not turn on the machine. Call tech support at 604-458-0341.